Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll clarify an important point. You don't actually put money into your Tabby card like a prepaid card. Let me explain how Tabby funding works. First, Tabby is a credit service, not a stored value card. You have a spending limit based on your creditworthiness, not deposited funds. Next, when you make a purchase with Tabby, they pay the merchant upfront on your behalf. You then owe Tabby the amount in installments. Then, to ensure smooth payments, you need to link a valid debit or credit card to your Tabby account. This is done in the Tabby app under Payment Methods. After that, when installments are due, Tabby automatically charges them to your linked card. Make sure you have sufficient funds in the account connected to that card. You cannot top up or deposit money into Tabby directly. The service works by extending you credit at the time of purchase, which you repay through scheduled installments. Understanding this will help you use Tabby more effectively for your shopping needs. If this funding explanation was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.